Hello students, in this lecture we'll study diode, contents, definition, PN junction diode, types of diode and applications of diode. First we'll know what is meant by diode. A diode is a simple electrical device that allows the flow of current in one direction only. A specific arrangement of diode can convert AC to pulsating DC. This is the symbolic representation of diode. Diode consists of two terminals, anode which is plus and cathode which is minus. Working principle of diode is that when the cathode or a filament is heated to a high temperature, it starts emitting electrons. If the anode is connected to positive terminal of the supply with respect to cathode, the electrons will attracted by the anode. This causes an electrical current to flow from anode to cathode. Here the current flows from anode to cathode. PN junction diode. PN junction diode is also known as a semiconductor or a crystal diode. The property of a crystal diode is to conduct the current in one direction and permit it to be used as a rectifier. This is the diagram of PN junction diode. Here it consists of P type and N type semiconductor. Here the region or a junction combination of P and N is called PN junction diode, and P type holes and N type electrons. The N side will have large number of electrons and very few holes, whereas P side will have high concentration of holes and very few electrons. Due to this process called diffusion takes place. In this process, free electrons from N side will diffuse into P side and combine with the holes present there, leaving the positive immovable ion in the N side. Hence, the few atoms on the P side are converted into negative ions. Similarly, few atoms on the N side will converted into positive ions. Due to this, large number of positive ions and negative ions will accumulate on the P side and N side respectively. This region so formed is called deflection region. Due to the presence of these positive and negative ions, a static electric field called as barrier potential is created across the PN junction of the diode. It is called as a barrier potential because it acts as a barrier and opposes the flow of positive and negative ions across the junction. To make use of this PN junction diode, we have to use or apply the external DC supply. This is how the PN junction diode works. Types: Zener diode. Zener diode is used in voltage regulator or voltage stabilizer. Light emitting diode is a diode that gives off visible light when forward biased, and it is used in domestic lightnings. Photodiode. A diode is used in alarm circuit to count the items on the conveyors belt, etc. Varactor diode are used in circuit which requires voltage controlling turning. Tunnel diode is used in oscillator to produce undamped oscillations. Pin diode is used for both signal and compound selection to detect the X-ray and gamma rays. Laser diodes used in fiber optic communications, barcode readers, laser print pointers. The sum of the images of diodes. You can see here LED, Zener diode, tunnel diode, crystal diode, laser diode and all. Applications. As of I have explained, the Zener diode used as voltage regulator, LED used in power indicator in 7 segment display. Photodiode is used in alarm circuit. PN junction diode used as a rectifier. PN diode used for both signal and compound selection. Important questions asked. List the applications of diode. Explain PN junction diode. Thank you.